How to use luggage storage warrants properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Traveling through Florence can be amazing, but carrying heavy luggage around the city is exhausting. Luggage storage Florence services make your day easier, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time or money. Here's how to use them properly. The first mistake is booking last minute. You won't believe how quickly storage spots fill up during peak season. Reserve your storage in advance to guarantee space and avoid stress. Second mistake, not checking the location. Beginners often choose storage without considering proximity to train stations or attractions. Pick a location close to your itinerary to save time walking or taking taxis. Third mistake, ignoring security measures. The surprising truth is not all storage services offer the same level of insurance or surveillance. Verify that your chosen facility has secure lockers or monitored storage to protect your belongings. Fourth mistake, misunderstanding pricing. Some services charge by day, others by hour. Beginners sometimes pay more than necessary. Check rates carefully and choose a plan that matches your schedule. Finally, not labeling or organizing your luggage is common. Keep important items in an easily accessible bag in case you need something quickly, and label your bags to avoid confusion. By booking early, choosing a convenient and secure location, understanding pricing, and organizing your luggage, you'll use luggage storage Florence efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and exploring the city becomes lighter, easier, and more enjoyable.